Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke phela laphana-ke ucinezele ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje. Awukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzothola zonke-ke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. So ngizocela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi wenze okulungile-ke ucinezele ibhathini laphana-ke usubscribe akubizi imali, kumahhala. Awukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke udaba okulethele lona namhlanje lithi-ke uFikile Mbalula we-ANC laphana-ke useveze ushaqisa njengoba sonke sazi ukuthi i-MK laphana-ke ne-ANC bahamba icala laphana-ke lomkhonto wesizwe-ke. UFikile Mbalula-ke laphana ubeseveza-ke ukuthi uZuma kumele aqale iphathi yakhe ethi-ke noma athi umsholozi party noma Zuma party, kodwa ayeke igama le-ANC. Kodwa angifuni ukuthi wezwa ngami mina ngizokudlalela-ke i-clip lana-ke uyizwele wena, usecela kuwe laphana ukuthi ungene ema-comment section-ke ufike ubhale ucabangani ngalolu daba. Mase uyizwile-ke le clip-ke bese ucindezela nebhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje. Awukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nawe le clip-ke awuyithokozele.
To challenge the formation of a party called umkhonto wesizwe by Jacob Zuma. He announced it on the 16th of December. The decision to form this party was taken long time ago. Now there is an argument in court about the time frames. When did the ANC come, realized and argued its point? But we've got capable lawyers inside who are arguing our case. Back and forth with umkhonto wesizwe lawyers and so on. We have taken a decision to challenge this party, but not only that, we have been toiling since this party was registered, fighting for our logo, for our asset, for our own MK. To say that if Zuma want to form a party, it is fine. He can call it umsholozi, he can call it Zuma, he can call it whatever he wants to call it. But we will never leave him to run away with MK. Because umkhonto wesizwe belong to the African National Congress. Umkhonto wesizwe belong to the African National Congress and the people of South Africa. And that he has taken